Hi everyone. In some of the setups I maintain, there isn't a proper CMDB in place. People often just work with Excel files. Today I like to show you the CMDB feature of Cmdbsyncer and how it can be used in a simple and lightweight CMDB in those cases. It starts, of course, with hosts in the Syncer. I'm gonna import them using a CSV file. In accounts, I did already some settings. For the CSV file, I edited that the mode is CMDB object and the object type is host object. The next thing I did, in the local config file, I added two CMDB bundles. I want to have a my notification field of type Boolean for all objects, and for all my host objects, I want to have my host field with a type string. From there, I'm gonna import my CSV file. And now we have already some objects here. If I check them out, I can see all the data we got from the CSV and in between my custom files. So the next thing we can do, we can define templates. Let's say based on the application tag. If the application is Nginx, we want to define something. I'm going to copy that, go to Objects, Templates, go to Create. As template, I name it Nginx servers. Here I add the match rule. And as a fields, I say operating team Linux admin. So you get the idea. Now, if I would add a new server with this label here, this template would be added here automatically. We can trigger this, of course, in the command line as well. Just this little command. And after that, our Nginx servers get operating team. I can, of course, edit it here, remove it again, or can add more of them. So if we would have a second one, operating system, for example, and the contact mail, support as admins, this without match rule, then I can add it as well here as a second one and save it. When I check here my debug functions, go with this host here, again, full attribute, there we have two of them. We have the support at OS admins and we have the operating team. So basically every field you configure here, you can then use to automate, let's say CheckMK. You can export it again to other systems, like later if you want to switch to Netbox, you can just export it to next Netbox as well. And of course, we have a REST API, which can you use then to query these fields again, or even to update this data again. Okay, I hope this was enough as a short introduction to the feature. If you have any questions, just add a comment and I'm happy to help. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.